This is the DJI MIC Mini, and I just ordered it for $59. In today's video, I'm gonna unbox it. I've seen a lot of videos of this product, but I'm pretty sure most of them are sponsored because this just came out. I did purchase this directly from the DJI website, and this is the transmitter only version. And it came really quick. It came in about like 3 days. I got it. Ooh. Okay, so there's this nice little plasticky pouch. Well packaged. DJI label. Oh wow. And there's this nice little carrying case. Oh, that feels really nice. The zipper. And what do we have inside? We got a USB-C cable. Ooh, a wind muff, I believe. Let's see, it looks like there's maybe more than one in here. Oh wow, so yeah, that's pretty nice and soft. Put that down. Ooh, and here's another one. Let's see. Very nice. Okay. And I'll try to clip that onto the device too, to see how that works. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, here's a little chargy base. Fits the USB-C. Put down like that. And the last thing in here is the MIC Mini. It's really small. Lulu, is that going to be your new toy? Oh, and a silicone bag. So that's it that is in the case. No, you can't have that. Okay, well, let's take a look at the MIC Mini. Lulu. She's very excited for it. So, no, cats love them. Wow, it is very small. Very, very little. Okay, let's look at it. Nice little logo on there. There's only 2 buttons. There's a power button. And I don't know what this button does yet. And here's the clip. And it looks like there's also a magnet. Which goes on to the clip. And looks like that's the mic portion right there. There's a little LED light right here. And then here's where it connects to the charging. Oh, and it's a nice little magnetic connection in there. Let's just snap this on here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, yeah, there we go. It snaps on great. And let me see if I have something for scale. So here is just a regular pen. And, oh, that's the size of it right there. So nice, small size. And I purchased this just the transmitter because I'm going to use it Bluetooth through the phone. And also I have the Action 4, which is going to work. It does work with these, but it only can connect to one at a time. So that's why I just bought this by itself. Maybe at a later date I might get the transmitter and the receiver combo, which it looks like those are $89 on their website. But if you wanted the whole shebang, you could get 2 transmitters, a receiver, and a charging case, and a mobile phone adapter for $188. Or you could get 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, and just the charging case for $169. So I did this video mostly just because I was only seeing sponsored content come out about it. And I want to do my own testing, and I want to give an unbiased review. So if you're interested in that, let me know. I am planning on doing a review on this DJI MIC Mini, and hopefully my audio will sound better in future videos. Thank you so much for watching.